probably be waiting forever. So how does it sound? I was on the ground giving you my love, my love, my love, my love. There's no place quite like here.